March 2024 has been my largest month for dividends, and I can't wait to talk about that.
Yo, 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 welcome to the show.
Yo, 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 what is good, everyone? Happy Saturday, March 30. It's 3:43 p.m. Eastern. We're going to talk about our dividends received in the month of March. These videos get dropped towards the end of the month. If you like that kind of thing, if you're into dividend investing, dividends, whatever, drop a like and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will see these videos when I release them each month. In this video, we're going to talk about our dividends. We're also going to look at our spreadsheet right here, see the different tickers that paid us, or totals, or monthly, daily averages, and all that good stuff. But without further ado, actually, before we talk about our dividends, let's just look at the performance of the portfolio. It's a Saturday. We're down $10. Love to see that. 1 week, we're up 1.25%. 1 month, we're up 0.27%. 3 months, also up 0.58%. Year to date, up. Finally, we're up. Is it because we sold the Tesla? Question mark. I don't know. Look at it. Just ugh. 1 year, we're up 10.6%, $1,230. We got a little bit of change in the buying power right there. Got some options, some crypto, bunch of stocks, but the main focus of this video will be our dividends received in the month of March. So we kicked off the month with Ford. Ford, for having 43 shares, their typical 15 cents a share, we got $6.44. Pfizer, something I recently added because I just wanted to add some kind of diversification in my portfolio. And I thought, as a pharmaceutical, it's Pfizer. They're really beaten down. The dividend looks good. I mean, I can drop less than $100. It's not hurting me. It could help, not hurting. No big deal. I dropped that. I got paid 84 cents today. We got two shares. Want to get these a little bit higher. I definitely want to have like a small milestone of just at least $1 per dividend payment whenever I get paid from a ticker. Just want to see that. It looks nicer to me. Yeah, in the future, that will be that is my objective for now. Two shares of Pfizer gave us 84 cents. Two-thirds of a share of Visa gave us 35 cents. Visa is pretty expensive. It's something I'm steadily DCAing into, slowly but surely, because I like Visa. I see it being, here for a while. Essential Utilities, 53 cents from 1.73 shares. Ford paid us again. Ford, even though we got paid by 23 underlines in the month of March, we were paid over 23 times because I think there's two or three tickers that had two dividend payments within this quarter. Ford is one of them. This time they paid 18 cents in addition to the 15. Same amount of shares, obviously. But this time we got $7.73. So Ford in total we made $15, and this is just in our brokerage or individual portfolio. If you follow my other videos, you'll see that my Roth IRA, which is now at 100 shares of Ford, got paid those dividends as well. Of course, those were reinvested in my Roth. In my individual, though, I did turn my drip off. If you wanna check that video out, I think I can put it up in the top. Next, we have Johnson & Johnson J&J. $1.79 from 1.5 shares there. AEP, two shares gave us $1.76. Chevron, and right above it actually is ExxonMobil. $1.19 from ExxonMobil. $2.04 from Chevron. Same number of shares, 1.25 shares. But these, I just really like these. I bought them during COVID, I think like one share each, and they've just been amazing in my portfolio. I wish I had more. In terms of just overall return, very good, great dividend yield, and I have nothing bad to say about these two companies, which are related, but I have both of them. We've got Target here, $1.87 from 1.7 shares. Microsoft, 94 cents, 1.25 shares. This shouldn't be too hard to get to $1. Actually, with Microsoft's such low yield, it might be like a decent amount. But Horizon gave us $1.49 for 13 and a half shares. Stag, almost $1, 96 cents, 7.75 shares. Monthly payer, so maybe I should look into look at it in that perspective, maybe not. Hey, I just want to see a dollar. So yeah, Brunswick, we've got 36 cents, 85.85 of a share. McDonald's, so close to a dollar 99 cents, just under zero point 0.6 shares. Realty Income, we got $2.67 from 10.4 shares. Main Street Capital, 48 cents, 2 shares. Home Depot, $1.13 for half a share. Interestingly, it's so expensive where half a share already gives us a dollar. And they have a good yield. I think it's maybe like the 3.5s, 3.6 maybe. Dividend yield. SPYG, SPY's growth focused ETF, gave us 51 cents for having 4.75 shares. This one's mainly for growth, so dividends is like an icing on the cake, really. But we'll take it. But this one I'm definitely investing in for that growth feature. Newsy, we got $2.14 from 14 shares. SCHD, the biggest payer, would have been if it wasn't for Ford. And I'm very comfortable with SCHD. Ford, I mean, I'm always like one eye open, one eye closed type of thing. I always have to watch Ford. SCHD, whatever the price is, I'm more confident and secure in SCHD as an investment. That's just my opinion. We got paid from Maine again, this time 66 cents. I guess we added some more shares because the payments, it's not like Ford where they paid on the same day. Maine, I think it was split up. This one was the 27th, and then Maine again was somewhere. Maybe I already passed it, to be honest. Yeah, I feel like I definitely did. But trust me, Maine paid us like two times. They paid us 44 cents and then 66 cents. Right? Or am I tripping? Maybe I'm tripping. Alright, yeah, let's just continue then. So after Maine, we got paid by VTI, the total stock market ETF. Every stock that exists in the US stock market is umbrellaed under this. So very safe investment. I mean, unless you see the US economy overall going down, then I think, you know, yeah. $2.46, 2.7 shares. And finally, we got paid 32 cents from Waste Management for having zero point 0.42 of a share. Actually, there's one more. Camping World. Camping World was supposed to pay us on Good Friday because I swear, I was like, why am I not seeing this extra dividend payment in March? And I scroll up, it's in April. I guess they must have had their payment date as being the 29th, or maybe their payment date is the 29th. But I will not receive the payment because the markets were closed until Monday. So that's why this shows up as the first. It is being paid in April, but I know officially it is a payment that should be done in April. I mean, here's the payment date. Camping World XDiv was 313. 0.125 of a dollar, and payment date 329. And today it's the 30th of March, so the markets being closed must have affected that. That's how it's looking. We can look at the spreadsheet right now. You can see the total we made in December in March was $46.44. Our largest payer obviously was Ford, $14.17. Smallest payer was Waste Management, and this is something I'm trying to get up. Like, just bear with me. So the next payment in this March time frame kind of will not. I don't think it's gonna be Waste Management. I'm more likely thinking it's gonna be Brunswick right here because it's currently. Actually, it's not even Brunswick. It's Camping World. Yeah, I'm not adding too much to that, so I think this one might take the throne afterwards as being the lowest. Thinking of eliminating Camping World since they did cut their dividend and their yield isn't like anything crazy now, and I'm not really like stunned at them as a company. So I might get rid of them when I start consolidating. Let's see how that goes. But yes, we can see that this is a 549% increase over the previous period in March. So last year, March 23, I made $7.16 versus this year, $46.44, 549% of an increase, and that's beautiful to see. Absolutely beautiful. So far, Ford has been leading us for the year, has been carrying us for the year in terms of largest dividends. For the year total so far, we've made $76.23. That works out per month to be $25.41, and the daily average of 86 cents. So every if we had spent 86 cents, if we if that was your limit starting on January 1, 2023, include 2024, including weekends, we had a budget of 86 cents and we'd be living off dividends, quote unquote. Of course, that's not life changing. That's not. I mean that can't do anything. I don't think that can buy you even like food anywhere, but anywhere in the U.S. But of course, we're looking at seeing that number grow. Last year, that number was 27 cents. So far this year, up to March 30, it's 86 cents. So maybe by the time we end the year, we'll be over $1 per day. That would be pretty nice. Having $1 a day low key means I could get. I don't know how McDonald's work, but I'm sure that $1 per day can get you something. Whereas 86 cents, I'm more like wary about that. Overall, if this factors in or takes into account when I started tracking this portfolio or tracking my dividends, really, I have made $173 in total per month, $11.54, and I had a daily budget. I have a daily budget of 38 cents. So you can see that with time, I'm raising my monthly average from $8 to 25, from my daily from 27 cents to 86 cents. And that should be the theme going forward. It looks very nice. We are paid 23 times. Some of these were double payments like Ford, which is where's Ford right here, $6.44 and 73, and also Maine, which is right here. Yeah, 48 cents and 66 cents. So love to see that portfolio. It's steadily chugging along, and that's what we want to see. So just gonna continue investing. These dividends do get reinvested, not necessarily into the underlying, but I will go in and buy more of that underlying. So it's literally the same thing, you know. So far so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your jam, like I said, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the end of April. Watch out for all my videos, my portfolio updates. I do this in my Roth IRA as well, so check out those dividends. See you guys next time. Peace.